Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to turn any image into a cool shape with a custom outline in Canva? Click Create, then Custom Size, and select the desired dimensions for your project to begin customizing the canvas. Go to Elements, then search for and select a photo to add to your project. Search for a family photo or a basketball player using the search bar. Click the search icon to display results. Scroll through the images to find the one you want. To share, click the Share button and select your preferred method, such as email or social media. Adjust any settings like privacy or message. Finally, confirm by clicking Send or Share to complete the process quickly and efficiently. Select the option you want to try. Click it to explore its features. Follow the prompts on screen, making any necessary adjustments. This hands-on approach helps you understand the tool better and see immediate results. Use the background remover tool to eliminate the background from your image quickly and easily with just one click. This creates a clean, transparent background. Click Edit, then select Filters. Click See All, then go to Tone. Choose the desired tone filter. You can adjust it to be darker or add a red tint. Once satisfied with the effect, click Copy to apply the changes. This process enhances your image with customized tones for the perfect look. Select the text you want, copy it, then click the destination area and paste the text there using your keyboard or context menu options. This is our first design. To add an outline, duplicate the design. Next, click Edit again and return to Filters. Under Tone, select Image Color, then choose White. This changes the design's color for the outline effect. Repeat these steps as needed to customize your design's appearance with clear outlines and color adjustments. This process helps enhance your graphic with simple, effective edits. Click Edit, then apply the glow effect. You can choose to add an outline or customize the glow settings. Adjust the intensity and color to enhance your image, making it stand out. Experiment with different options to achieve the desired visual effect quickly. Use the Outline tool to change the outline color. Select any color you want from the palette. After customizing the outlines, you can merge the objects to combine their shapes. This helps create unified designs quickly, enhancing your workflow and visual consistency in your project. Right-click the layer to access options. Choose Bring to Front to move the layer above others. Select Send to Back to place the layer behind all others. These commands help organize your workspace by adjusting layer order. Use Bring Forward or Send Backward to move the layer one level at a time. Managing layer hierarchy ensures your design elements appear in the correct sequence for your project. Press Ctrl and G on your keyboard to merge both images. This shortcut combines the selected items into a single group, making them easier to move and edit together. Use this method to keep your workspace organized and streamline your editing process efficiently. Design your image, then click Share. Select PNG format and increase the size to the maximum for the highest quality download of your design. Download the highest quality file for the best editing results and smooth workflow. Now you know how to convert images to custom shapes and outlines in Canva-like. And subscribe for more easy design tips.